Hey guys, I am Kyle, and in today's video I am going to show you how to make Netflix in Infinite Craft fastest method. So let's get started. So the first one that we'll need is water, and then earth, so that we'd have plant. Once you have plant, is that you want to add wind into it to create dandelion. Once you have dandelion, add another dandelion to create the patch, and then add wind, add fire, create popcorn, and then once you have popcorn you want to go for earth, and then combine it with popcorn, you would get movie. Once you get the movie, the next thing is that you want to add another movie, and you have cinema. So once you have cinema, you want to go for fire, and then earth to create lava, and then water into so that you'd have stone, and then you need fire and water right here, and combine it with stone to create geyser, and then fire right here, and then add it with steam to create engine. Once you have the engine, you want to add a steam into it to create train. Once you have train, you want to go for engine again, and then another engine to create a rocket, and then you want to go combine it with train to create bullet train. Once you have the bullet train, you want to go for rocket and rocket to create satellite. So once you have satellite, combine it with bullet train, combine it with geyser, you'd have YouTube, and combine it with cinema right here, you would now have Netflix.